Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, January 26th. I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I'm still definitely very bullish on this. I still think this is an ABC of wave Y most likely, all part of this WXY pattern, which I do believe that this wave C of wave Y will go up and most likely take out these previous highs, probably up to one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels before we see a bigger push to the downside. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, nice impulsive movement down as you can see. But really, I mean, it still hasn't really broken any structure. I actually think this is more likely a 1 and a 2. I think that this is eventually going to go back up and make a 3, a 4, and a wave 5. And that this is going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. This is an A, B, and C correction most likely of wave Y. So let's head down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, I mean, this move down was very steep and very sharp to the downside, but we definitely do have a little bit of a bottom right here after three waves, and it did kind of take out the liquidity right here, so that's a really good sign. I mean, it kind of turned right in between two fib levels, but I would definitely consider that this did respect the 50% fib level. I think there's a possibility this really is the end of a correction, and that this over the next few weeks is going to continue to go up, probably a 1, probably a 2, and most likely a wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I do believe this is most likely the end of an ABC correction. Now, this is definitely looking a little bit on the corrective side as of now, which is one of the reasons why we have a Fibonacci retracement on here. Because if it does make a Fibonacci bounce with a big impulsive move to the downside, we may want to stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. But as of right now, I actually believe this could be a bottom and that this could maybe bounce off some fib levels, but not break structure to the downside and continue to make higher highs, higher lows, telling me that I will continue to look for longs at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of this uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. Even on the 1 hour time frame, we definitely have been making higher highs and well, mostly higher lows, that is. Now I do have my Fibonacci retracement, like I said, because if it does make like a big fib bounce with a big engulfing move to the downside, I would definitely get out of any longs and actually go short for the continuation of the downtrend. But for now, I definitely am looking for longs. I'm looking to go long at the end of pullbacks, and I think there's a pretty good chance that it's going to break out of these highs and most likely just continue to make those higher highs and higher lows. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.